Hi students, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and like my channel.
Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. We can count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. These nouns have a singular and plural form. Pen, pens. We can use a number a and before noun. 3 bags, a book, an apple. Countable nouns. Examples: 4 eggs, 3 pigs, 2 houses. Uncountable nouns. We can't count them. These nouns are always singular. Jam, but not jams. We can't use a number a and before noun. Tea, but not there is a tea, there is one tea, there is an tea. Uncountable nouns. Examples: juice, honey, bread, meat. Uncountable nouns. Exception. We can use a number a and with uncountable nouns when we use another countable noun with it. For example, there is some water. Water is uncountable, so we use singular form. There are 2 bottles of water. Water is uncountable, but we can count bottles. 1, 2. So we use plural form. There is some tea. There are 2 cups of tea. We can count cups. 1, 2. 2 cups. Countable nouns. We can count them. Uncountable nouns. We can't count. Tomato, tomatoes. We use singular and plural forms. Uncountable. Tea. Only singular form. A carrot, an apple. Milk, ice. Game. Countable nouns. If you hear, you put 1 hand up. If you hear uncountable noun, put 2 hands up. Are you ready? Let's start. Honey. Uncountable nouns. Egg. Countable. Coffee. Uncountable. Rice. Uncountable. Tomato. Countable. Salt. Uncountable. Excellent. Game. Choose the correct answer. Choose the uncountable noun. Potato, jam, pumpkin. Jam. Milk, carrot, onion. Milk. Choose a countable noun. Chocolate, apple, flower. Apple. Juice, honey, strawberry. Strawberry. Excellent. Game. Find the odd word. Sugar is uncountable. Meat, uncountable. Apple, countable. Salt, uncountable. So the odd word is apple. Jam, tomato, rice, tea. Find the odd word. Tomato. carrot, pumpkin, egg, milk. Milk. Excellent. Bye.
Thank you for watching this video.